Hello Mzansi, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. And so go expose Uyanda's girlfriend. So yesterday it was their homecoming, so we were celebrating, and Unsugu was busy taking videos la bebakhona khona phakathi kwabo. It was Uyanda's girlfriend. Actually, it was our first time simbona nathi. So uNsuku decided ukuthi thathe video ya girlfriend and said ukuthi, oh, the girlfriend siyamshare Uyanda. So Uyanda was busy like signing for her ukuthi no ungakhumbi bantu girlfriend yami. So that video went viral after uNsuku decided to post that video revealing Uyanda's girlfriend, and everyone is now talking about the girl ukuthi hayibo saze sambona girlfriend. So people are saying ukuthi Nsuku uyende ngabom lento leyo, since people are saying ukuthi Nsuku very fake, that's why angazange win Big Brother, because yena uhlala qabanga ukuthi into leti right tifanele yena ayi-one. So people are saying ukuthi hayibo ugirl umreveal njengabo ugirlfriend wa Uyanda. Like you cannot reveal someone's partner if lo muntu loyo angakuniki permission. Like how can you? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.